Right, welcome back, guys. We've made some significant progress here. We've been able to use auto init, and what we realized that if we use auto init, we are not able to customize a particular component that has been initialized through the auto init. Okay, if we wanted to customize the component, the Materialize CSS component, we need to exclude it from the auto init, and the way to do that, we saw that within the class name we need to add this no auto init, right? And for our Datepicker, right, we will then need to change the class name so that our customization will work with this rather than the original Datepicker, which is being initialized by the auto init. Yeah, so that was the gotcha, and that's how you go around it. Okay, making some progress. We want to work with the state this time. What we want that whenever we make any changes in these input values, that they are reflected in the state component there. Okay, so that say in this case, if you get all the values in the state there, you can then get an object of this, yeah, or of the whole form, then forward it to your back end. Okay, so let us go ahead and sort out that change. Let us start off with task. So this is what we mean. We want the value of this to be equal to the state, and in particular we want the task for this one, yeah. And if we do the same for, let us just start off with, yeah, okay, this one here, right, this one, paste, and this is what we want here. We want is the allocation, yeah, the allocation, this one, and we don't need that extra. Okay, this is to come, that's for the label that goes there. Okay, validate, right, HTML. What's happening here? Right, so let's go back, undo, undo, undo. undo, right. Okay, so we are working on this one. Is this bit here. It's this value. This value here, state allocation. Okay, so if we get this one, copy, for the start date, if we did the same thing there, like so, paste there, and here it's the date, start date. Okay, let us work with what we have so far. Okay, right, so if we save this, come here, we seem to have problems now. Okay, we seem to have problems. So what are the problems that we are facing? Sorry, if we come here, the problem that we are facing, we need an on change to be handled. Okay, so we're going to copy that, and what we want to do is we need a handler function for this, which we can call paste, which we can call handle function, and we're going to have an arrow function here. Okay, we need the arrow there, and what we want to do is we want to change the state we want to set the state there of, so it's the state we are looking at for this one. So we want to change the state of, we've got the task allocation. So instead of writing this individual, putting in a code for the individual inputs, we could pick it up from the target. If we pass the event here into our function, then we could then do this. We look at the target of the event, and we want its ID. So if it is task allocation, it will pick up that ID. Okay, so still using that, we can the target, this target is the value, right, that we want. So we've got our function here, right, and we can then use it now in these inputs. So this was looking for the on change which we are saying is equal to this angle, yeah, like so. And we can then do the same, copy for allocation, paste that there, right? So let us save and let us put this for that one there. Okay, let's save what we have so far and let us look at our code. Yeah, right, we're able to make some changes now, and we can put our date in there. Okay, that's good. But we want to see these changes now in here, right? So what we could do is, in there, we can console log this like so. Okay, and let us have this date for task, this one there, and let us do the same for the other two that we have done. Paste like so. So this one will be allocation, isn't it? Allocation, and this one will be the start date, which is this one. Okay, then let's save this and let us look at our code for the task. Yeah, it's coming up for this one. Yeah, can you see? Then now, how about for the date? We've got our date there, 15th. Okay. Was this picked up? It doesn't look like. Let us refresh this and do that. Save that. Okay, let's come here. Okay, yeah, now let us do the date. So the input here is change, it will change, isn't it? Okay, but it's not showing at all there, no activity. Okay, so what this means, it needs its own attention, which is what we're going to look at in the next session. So we'll end there for now. See you in the next video.